Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. All right, so USDJPY today analysis. Let's start the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we might go down as a pullback only. So this is a bullish breakout in weekly, but we'll have to come to daily to see if there's a pullback happening, which seems like it must be happening. Okay, so this red candle is the signal. This is an engulfing candle, and then this was on Friday, I think. Yeah, Friday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is starting here. So I think we should go down because it's time for pullback. Okay, so coming back to 4 hour here. Okay, so 4 hour makes more sense because yeah, so wait for the rejection from the EMA and then engulfing blue candle, and then only you go long. Okay, so I think we are not entering long until unless we touch the EMA in 4 hour, and then we have engulfing blue candle which will eat this section. So this red candle has to be eaten by the coming blue candle, then only you will enter long. Otherwise it is possible the price might fall further down, because this was a long uptrend. Okay, so if you use your fips, you see here, this was your long uptrend, so price still can come until 61%, until even 78%, and so you never know. Okay, so price might even fall below the EMA, but that doesn't mean it will be the downtrend. It means simply it's taking the pullback of this big uptrend which happened a few days ago. Okay, so you just have to be careful. Keep an eye, because as per daily chart, I normally trade daily charts only. So I will wait for the rejection from this EMA. Okay, so I'm expecting the price to touch this EMA in daily chart before I go long in USDJPY. So I will take the higher time frame for pullbacks, and that's how you can be sure. So like for example, you see here, this was a gap. Otherwise, if the candle would have opened somewhere here, then this was your entry, and then you went long, pull back again, and then engulfing blue, and then you will go long. So enter longs after each pullback, and that's it. So subscribe, like, share, join free Telegram, and join the brokers. I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, take care.